Types of activity ratios. Net assets or capital employed turnover ratio. It reflects relationship between revenue from operations and capital employed in the business. Higher turnover means better activity and profitability. Significance of net assets turnover ratio. High turnover of capital employed, working capital and fixed assets is a good sign and implies efficient utilization of resources. Higher turnover reflects efficient utilization, resulting in higher liquidity and profitability in the business. Profitability ratio. Profitability ratio helps to know the earning capacity of the business by utilizing the resources of the business. There is a relationship between the profit and the efficiency with resources are utilized in the business. Types of profitability ratio. There are various types of profitability ratio. Let us discuss them one by one. Gross profit ratio. Gross profit ratio is a percentage of operations and revenues, which is also known as gross margin. Significance of gross profit ratio. It indicates gross margin on selling of products. It also indicates the margin available to cover operating expenses, non-operating expenses, etc. Change in gross profit ratio happens due to change in selling price or cost of revenue from operations or a combination of both. Operating ratio. It is calculated to find out cost of operation with respect to revenue from operations. Operating profit ratio. This ratio helps to calculate operating margin. Significance of operating profit ratio. This ratio helps to analyze the performance of the business and reflects the operational efficiency of the business. It is useful for inter-firm and intra-firm comparisons.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.